In this support video, we'll show you how to add ledger accounts to the accounting templates. So this tutorial is applicable to the basic accounting, service-based and trade-based accounting templates, and it's the same principle applies. So for illustrative purposes, we're going to add an expense account to the template. So the expenses section is IS03. So I'm just going to add a new account here. So the first thing you do is just insert a new row, then copy one of the other rows. So I'm just going to do that. Change the account number, go 312, and I'm just going to give it a description. So the columns with yellow column headings require user input. The light blue columns contain formulas. That's why I copied an entire row, so all the formulas are already copied, and I just entered a new account number and a new account description. So you'll see the red highlighting in column A. That just indicates that I'm not done yet. I also need to add this account to the income statement. So let's go and do that. I'm going to the IS sheet, and I'm going to put it right there below IS 0310. So insert a row again, copy the previous row, and change the account number to 312. And all the other columns contain formulas. So it's already picking up that account number. So only user input is the key in column A. And that is basically it. I just want to show you there's a difference in terms of the account structure, that some accounts are integrated on a group level, which means that all income statement accounts starting with IS09 will be included in one reporting row. That's the IS09G, that's what the G means. And the alternative is like we just did, where I put the individual account number in column A, which means that only that individual account will be reported in this line. So if you want a detailed income statement, you use the detailed or the full account number in column A. If you group accounts together, it's the first two digits after the hyphen followed by a G. So with the balance sheet, most lines have the G. So most lines are reported, or most classes are reported in one reporting row. If we go back to the TB sheet, you'll see the account that we just created, the error is gone, and it shows that it's integrated on an account level. And that's how you add new ledger accounts to any of our accounting templates. Visit the support section of our YouTube channel for more support videos about different templates.